the error that this is coming up with now. This error is in company code AD00, the number range 01 is missing for the year 2024. So what does this mean? So for every transaction, for every environment, or every transaction that you want to perform, there's something called document type. There's something called document type, and there's something called number ranges. So for this environment, for this type of transaction, the document type is SA. The document type is SA. So we'll go to the system to check what is it. The document type for journal to journal is SA. And inside the document type, a number range 01 has been mapped to it. So you need to go and create a number range. So go back. Let's go back, and I'll just show you um, the document type. So how do we get to the document type, right? So we'll close this. We'll close this. We'll come to document. Then you see document type. So I'll just show you the document type. The document type are default are different type of the default document type that SAP has defined in the system. We do not really need to create any new document type again. We just leave it as the only time we need to create a document type is when we have a unique type of transactions that we want to create. So we'll come to this place to create a new document type, but we have a predefined document type that have been defined by SAP on the system. So like I said, SA is for journal entry. I'll click on position to look for that SA. So you can see we have SA GL account document. So this is the document type for performing a transaction FB50, a T code, transaction code FB50. SA is used to perform such transaction. If I click inside now, I'm double clicking it to see, you can see E01. E01 is the number range that have been assigned to document type SA. So to reverse, when you reverse this kind of transaction, AB is the document type that comes up, and it's applicable for assets, it's applicable for vendor, it's applicable for this. That's what this thing means. Application where such transaction is allowed. So whenever you want to perform an assets related transaction, this check, if you don't check it, it won't allow you. And that's why when you check it, it allows you to post such kind of transaction for vendor, for material, for general ledger, accounting type. That's what all this thing means. The default value exchange rate that the document type uses is M. M is average exchange rate type. So these are basic configuration, default configuration that comes in with this document type. So now, how do we now define, how do we now set up? Because the error says in company code AD, the number range 01 is missing. Is missing. So you need to define it. So how do we define it? You look, 01 is the number range, right? So we'll go back. Let's go and look for the number range now. We'll go back. I'm just showing you what's all the links. I'm showing the links. It's telling you the error says the number range is missing. So how do you know where the number range? I didn't do anything number range. Why is it flagging me number range 01? I didn't do anything number range 01. Why is the system flagging me 01? So I just went to show you, I just showed you now that the 01 is coming from the mapping that was done to the document type. So inside every document type, a number range has been mapped to them by default. So you have to go and look at it, and that's why I just show you, I just demonstrate to you now. So we'll now go back now and create a number range 01. So you click on document number range, look at the part. The part is financial accounting global setting, document, then uh doc, the document number ranges is document number ranges, then define document number ranges. So you come here, you click inside, then you put your company code because it's company code specific. As you can see, it's saying in company code AD00. So it's company code specific. Do you get? So you have to put your company code AD00 and click on interval. You click on this interval and it will bring you down to this place. This is locked by someone. This screen is locked by someone, and so I will have to go and take this person off. Let me just slash OSM12. Let me pick this user. So let me again. I want to pick that user so I can just delete that user. 1 minute, just hold on. There's somebody inside it, so I pick the user. I'll come to this place. I'll click enter. I'll search. So the user is using that screen, so I'll take that user off. Just hold on. This is not part of the what's got the training. I think this is just a technical way of removing any user who is blocking another screen. This screen, this environment we are using is a multiple users environment. So I'll just look for which one and which one is doing. So I'll just take the person off. I'll select the two. I'll select the two. The one that is actually using. I've seen it, but I'll just select the two and I'll delete the user from this. I'll just delete. So the user will be yanked off of the place. Delete. So I've taken off the user. I'll just go back to this place. No, I'll go outside and I'll quickly just maintain my thing. So you click on plus. It's already on plus anyway. So you put 01. Then year, I'll put 2024. I'll put 1019. I'll do this and I'll save it. So I'm just using these are sequence, these are number sequence. Zero number range 01, which I've maintained 01 year. As you can see, I've maintained 01 year. And for which year? I see 2024. The number range sequence is this. So at every point in time you are posting an entry, it will be generating this number range, right? And it's internal. I will not click on external. External means that you want to be putting the number range that every transaction creates to be to be uh to be generating, right? But the sequence, it will be internally generating sequence for you at every transactions. So I'll just save it. I'm saving it. The system is a bit slow to change the router for the network. Uh, so I'm saving this. I'll click go inside. I'll save it. So it has been saved. So I'll just go back. I'll go outside of the screen. I'll go outside of the screen. So I've done this now. So by the time you go back to that transaction, it will not be flagging you this error again. If I click enter now, this error will disappear. You can see the error has gone. Another error that is coming up again is no amount tolerance range entered for company code. It's a warning actually. It's a warning. This error